Hi, I'm Keith Worfolk. I live in Colorado in the United States. Live in kind of a nice part of the country in the Rocky Mountains. And I've been doing technology for about 25, 30 years. Started out as a developer and an architect. And from there, I went into leadership roles after getting a couple of master's degrees. And I keep enhancing those master's degrees by getting the right kinds of certifications over time. And that was one of the things that led me to this postgraduate AI program. In the last 5 years working for Wavestone as an associate partner, I've been in charge of AI and digital transformations. I've also done some what they call CIO and CTO advisory work. So I work with large, say multinational global companies that are doing, say, major transformations. And in the case of AI, that often means complete enterprise transformation, people, process, and technology. Yeah, so I did a little bit of research. I looked at several programs, including MIT's, and I had done a program a couple of years ago with Simplilearn, and so I was already knew that it was a pretty good platform to work with, but I was looking for the right material, for the next step in my career. I decided that, upon doing my research, that this particular program looked like it had the right content, material, and trajectory for me in my career. Well, one thing I didn't know going into this particular program, the instructor is very good. He's super knowledgeable, clearly has a lot of industry experience, so he's not just speaking from an academic point of view, and I definitely appreciate that. So that was sort of a bonus. I didn't know that the instructor would be this good. And so I'm probably the rare student in this kind of a program where I do the homework, and I'll do all the exercises, all the labs and such like that, because I like to learn. And so the materials are there. What's nice about this program is you can kind of do it at your own pace and your own level of depth. So some people, I think, are just looking for the certification, and there's some minimal amount of work you need to do for that. I go a little deeper, and I appreciate the ability to do that with the extra demos, the extra labs and things like that I can tap into. Plus, since we also connect on Slack, can also continue to ask questions to the instructor even when the class isn't in session, which is nice. I think like the learning manager is always there in the background, so that if we have any questions or problems with the platform, with the content or something like that, they can jump in, and they do it very selectively. But the instructor takes care of most of the questions, particularly around the actual material and the actual learning. I think that has a 1-2 punch of the having a good instructor and having a learning manager in the background works out very well. So I'm very sports-minded. I do a lot of extracurricular activities, so to speak. I play ice hockey. I do a lot of cycling during the summer, skiing during the winter. Living here in Colorado, I have the nice balance of being close to Denver, the city, but also just 45 minutes from world-class ski resorts. So I find being that lifelong learner, continuing the process, keeping your brain activated and curious in the right ways, it really just enhances that other part of your life. I'm the kind of person who would never be happy just going to work and doing the same thing every day. So the only way to protect against that is to keep learning